In a world often filled with uncertainty and challenges, it's easy to feel overwhelmed or lost. But in the midst of our struggles, the Bible offers us timeless words of hope and comfort. These verses remind us of God's unwavering love, His faithful promises, and the strength we can find in Him. Let these scriptures speak to your heart, offering reassurance, peace, and the encouragement to keep moving forward, no matter what life may bring. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. This verse from Jeremiah 29:11 is a powerful reminder that God has a purpose for our lives. Even when we face difficulties, He promises us a future filled with hope and prosperity. It reassures us that our struggles are not in vain, as God is guiding us towards a brighter tomorrow. Psalm 34:17-18 offers comfort in times of despair. The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them. He delivers them from all their troubles. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. This passage speaks to the closeness of God during our most painful moments, assuring us that He hears our cries and brings comfort to those who are hurting. Romans 15:13 encourages us to trust in God, the source of all hope. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in Him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. Through faith, we are filled with joy and peace, and this verse inspires us to let our hope overflow, empowered by the Holy Spirit, even in challenging times. Isaiah 40:31 reminds us of the strength we gain by placing our hope in the Lord, but those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles, or they will run and not grow weary, they will walk and not be faint. This verse powerfully conveys that God's strength is made perfect in our weakness, enabling us to rise above challenges and persevere without giving up. In Lamentations 3:22-23, we find assurance in God's unfailing love. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed, for His compassions never fail. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. Despite life's hardships, God's love and compassion are renewed each day, offering us fresh hope and a reminder of His unwavering faithfulness. Finally, John 16:33 offers us peace and encouragement through Jesus' words, I have told you these things, so that in me you may have peace. In this world, you will have trouble. But take heart. I have overcome the world. Jesus acknowledges the struggles we face but reassures us that through His victory, we too can overcome whatever challenges come our way.